Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Bala. Today I'm gonna how to download SQL Microsoft 2022. So let me install step by step. Just search search SQL Server Manage Management Studio DOW download and click and enter. See, we have many links and URL and SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on second URL. This is the interface of Microsoft. This is your SQL server owned by Microsoft. So click on downloads. Next, scroll down slowly where we see the download options. Here, here we have. If you want to free, if you want to use free, you can go for Express. These are main paid and Azure and other things developer sites. So just click on this one. We have to download this one. Download. Click on download. It's been loading. That's great. Open file. It is already there for me. So click. Okay, I will show you my SQL server. So this is mine. I will show you again how to use. This is SQL Server Management Studio. After completing all the process, it will show you like this. It will automatically install on your desktop. So now it is loading. After loading, I will show you how to create a dashboard and table, all those things. This is this is the interface of in login. This it will automatically generate server name. No need to go and check in your settings and go. No need to go there. It will automatically generate with your name and SQL Express. Because SQL Express means we are using free one. That's why it is showing the SQL Express. So Windows authentication. So click on next. Correct. It will show you like this. If you want to create any databases, so just click on new query. It will open the new query. You can write the code there. So what is the syntax for creating a database? So I will show you how to do. Just create database name. This is the syntax for creation of database. So we will create any one database to understanding purpose. Create database 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 name. I will write like code with Bala. Okay, I have created. Just execute it. It is executed. Now we want to check whether it is created or not. Just refresh here and go to here plus symbol is there. Just click on it. It will shows the databases. What are the databases are available. So check the code with Vala. This is created here. See tables. If you want to create a table in the next video, I will show you how to create a tables and syntax schemas and what is normalization. All these videos will be there. So stay tuned. This is how to install SQL SSMS. So thank you.